Hi, welcome to our live streaming room. I am Zoe from INSEETECH, this company. So today I would like to introduce our camera. This is security camera. So first of all, let me introduce our company first. So I'm from INSEETECH Limit. This is professional manufacturer who produce high quality vision product with leading companies. So today I would like to introduce our product. You can see this is solar security camera. But before I start it, I think you can follow the INSEETECH store in here. So you can easily click the button below this video so you can follow our store. So if you have any question, you can leave the comment below this video. Thank you. Well, some people will think install the security camera outside is troublesome because they need to be plugged in with outlets. However, now we've got this solar panel with this security camera, which means the security camera is powered by this solar panel and you don't need to remove it to charge. And this solar security camera can provide all-year protection for your family. Besides, it has low battery consumption designs, which can save more power. We recommend you choose the power saving mode in Tuya app. I will show you later. So I think this mode can achieve for more efficient energy use that leads to more longer battery life. So this is the place where you can choose your working mode. I recommend you choose the power saving mode, which can save more power. It will only record when the camera detects the human motion. So I recommend you try to avoid choose the continuous mode because it will waste more power. So now I would like to introduce how to install this solar security camera. There are two ways to install. So the first one is like this. This is the integrated installation. And this is the second one. This is the split installation. So what's the difference? So if you install this security camera in some areas and there is no sunlight, so they need to be separate in order to absorb the enough sunlight. Now, I would like to show you how to connect this security camera with your phone. Select Camera and Lock at this page. And then click Smart Camera. The red line is flashing, which means it's ready to connect. And then select your 2.4G Wi-Fi network and enter your password. It must be 2.4G Wi-Fi. Please select the correct one. And then you can scan the QR code. Now, all you can do is waiting. Please be patient. If you can't connect it successfully, press the reset button for 10 seconds, and you can do all the steps again. So now you can see the line is blue color, which means it's successfully connected. It will stay on all the time after the connection. So here you can see this is the live view. It shows very clear image. Even you can see clearly the characters here. 2 p.m. solar security Wi-Fi camera outdoor. Okay, and then we can see this is the phone icon, which means you can take a picture if you click this button. Let me show to you. So the picture is saved in your phone, and now we can look at this. This is the recording icon. If you click this button, you can record the live in this Zoom. Let me show you. So it is recording now, and then you can click this button again, so the video will be saved in your phone. So now I would like to introduce the detection function. You can see this screen. My partner Alina will be walk around in this room. So now you can see my partner, Alina. She is walk around in this room, and the image can be shown very clearly in this screen. So imagine it, if some stranger is walking around your house, you can receive the notification so quickly in Tuya app. So I think it is so great for your family safety. Now I will show you the notification, how it looks like. So now you can see the notification. It shows the time and the image. So now you can see some stranger is walking around your house. So now I would like to say this camera has wide view angle. It's up to 90 degrees vertically and 355 degrees horizontally. I will show you how it works. You can see this camera is rotating up, and now it's rotating down. You can see the detail in this room, right? Okay, and then I will show you this side. So this camera is rotating from right, you can see the detail in this room. According these categories can be shown very clearly. And now the camera is rotating from left. So imagine it, this camera can be installed at your home, so you can see the whole world around your home. I think it can provide better protection for your family, right? It can rotating almost 360 degrees. So now I will show you the calling function, because I think it is necessary when you have this security camera, and it's convenient for you to talk with your friends or some external visitors. Let me show you how it works. Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
It's clear to hear my voice?
Of course.
So look at this, there is a button. If you press this button, you can talk with some external visitors or your friends. So you can see, with this inbuilt microphone, no matter where you are, you can talk with some external visitors through this calling function, right? It's so convenient. Imagine it. You don't need to go out the door and take the parcel directly. Instead of, you can just talk in this app, so the expressman can hear you. It's quite convenient. Then I will show you how to share the device to your family. Look at this. Find the share device and then add sharing. So here you can see your friend or your family's account. So you can share this security camera live view to your friend or your family. So with this function, family can know the real-time situation of home. Even though you are far away from home, you can share more fun moments together. So now please look at this. This is our security camera, right? So what can you do? If you want to check the specific recording, please look at this. In here, you can see there is a space to insert TF card, or you can call it memory card. And this memory card, we will sell it, and it will be applied to this solar camera. This security camera and this memory card can support 4-hour recording with 64G and 8 hours recording with 128G. So you have many choices. With high write speed, the memory card can remember more video or image, and you can share more funny moment with your friend or family. Also, you can record some funny moment from your furry friends, like your cat, your dogs, so I think it is necessary for you. So now, how I can check the recording in my phone? Please look at this. When you open this wheel, tap Playback. So you can slide through the timeline to find the recording you want to replay, like this. So, and then you click here, you can save the recording, or you can take a picture. It is convenient. You can choose the date what you want. And now I turn off the light. You can see it very clearly because they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 infrared light, so you can see very clearly even at night. They will automatically turn on the light when you open this night vision mode. Since I have put this solar security camera and this stuff in some dark environment, so it is night vision mode. You can see it very clearly. The characters shows very clear in this screen. So imagine it. You can use this night vision mode at night, so you can see the very clear image even at night. I think this night version can meet your daily needs. It's convenient for you, for your family, to check the detail at night. This time, I will show you some interesting with this bottle of water in my hand. So, imagine it. If the camera is set outside, it will leave it into the rain sometime, right? But you don't need to worry, because our solar security camera has waterproof technology. This security camera can withstand some extreme temperatures and bad weathers. So I will give this security camera with little spray like this. Okay, so see whether it can work normally. So now we can see the camera still working, still rotating. So it's waterproof. You don't worry. You don't need to worry. So you don't worry about it will break when it come into water. It can withstand some bad weathers like rain, winds, and snowfall. It can protect your family very well and work so well in bad weathers. Well, thank you for watching. I'm so glad I can have a chance to introduce our product, our solar security camera. And besides, I would like to mention, we have professional team can provide pre-sale and after-sale service for you. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us. We will reply within 12 hours. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, this INSEETECH store, please click the button to follow our INSEETECH store. We will release some discount and when we open this live streaming room. See you next time. Bye bye.